Finally today, SunUp intern Samantha Smith shows us a group of students here at Oklahoma State who are truly trying to feed the world.
A lot of people don't know a lot about hunger. They don't realize that 25,000 people die every single day of hunger. I think the Oklahoma State campus has about 24,000, so that's basically the population of the campus dying every single day of hunger and hunger-related illness.
Hunger is a growing epidemic across the globe, but students like Allison Slagle are choosing to do something about it.
Every year for CASNR Week, we like to bring a philanthropy on campus, and so this year we decided to do HungerU because it actually came across Dr. Dameron's desk, and we thought it was a really cool thing because it lets students, give money, or alumni give money, but then it also educated students and then helped them kind of get out and do some actual philanthropy work, which is packaging meals. So last week they came and they set up a kind of a station where they handed out literature and talked to students about the hunger crisis and everything that's going on, and then this week is when we're packaging the meals, and so all the money we raised throughout CASNR Week and at our silent auction and different things, that went to pay for the food that we're packaging today.
The students are working with Stop Hunger Now, an international hunger relief organization. Together, they packaged over 10,000 meals for people in developing countries.
These meals are going to be used in developmental programs, primarily in developing countries, but also some here in the U.S. We focus on developmental programs like school feeding programs, vocational programs, agriculture programs, orphanages. The idea is that if you put the food into those programs, then people are more likely to attend the school, to attend the vocational program, to get an education, and then they can take that education back out into the community and hopefully break the cycle of poverty and hunger.
The packages are simple. They contain rice, soy, a vitamin packet, and dehydrated vegetables.
So it's 4 ingredients, and so what's happening is at the funnel stations they're putting in the vitamin packet, the rice, the soy, and the veggies. Then it moves on to the next station, which is our weigh station, to make sure it's the proper weight, and then it gets sealed, and then it moves on to the last station, which is boxing, and it goes in the box, and then it gets sealed up, and it heads to the people who need it.
Agriculture students like Slagle see the importance of feeding the world, and partnering with Stop Hunger Now gives them the opportunity to affect hunger across the globe.
It kind of baffles my mind that this one bag of food will feed 6 people, and so I think that's really important, just to let students know that there's a bigger world out there and that there's bigger problems than I have a test tomorrow. And so I think that's really important for every student, but as far as the students in the College of Ag, I think it's really important because we do all this work for food and for agriculture and natural resources, but we don't really think about where it's going, or I know some people have a hard time thinking like out of the United States, and so I think this kind of gives us a global scale and just to look at.
We've had enough food on the planet to feed every single person since the 60s. And the only way we're going to end hunger is it's mostly through getting people aware and knowledge and aware of the hunger issue. The food is the answer, but the way we're going to get that food to where it needs to go is getting more people involved and more people educated about hunger and what we can do to end it.
For SunUp, I'm Samantha Smith.